The Lord spoke to me about relationships. You need to have good relationships. Let's lift our hands and say, Lord, give me the best people in my life because they can help me go quicker toward the destiny that I have. If you have the wrong people, it's a road to failure. Hello? And the way to fail is to trust the wrong person. Trust the wrong person and you will have a problem. Failure comes through that. Loss comes from that. But when you have good people around you, and even smart people, and brilliant people, your relationships will push you to your destiny. Let's pray right now. I want to prophesy over you right now. God's going to show the exit sign to the wrong people, man of God. The wrong people that you don't need, God says, I don't need them either. Let's move them to the side and bring the right people that can help me succeed and fulfill my destiny.